When we stop signing up these people who are not supposed to be partners, the first thing that happens is we are thanking ourselves. We really face the reality and understand that actually we have not found anybody. So we'll actually go out and do the work. Otherwise, we put in 6 people, think we are going diamond and stop doing anything, and ultimately nothing comes out of it. Year after year after year keeps passing by. And that's what's been happening with leaders in our organization as well. Misunderstanding for their own business to a large extent.
But now I can tell you this, let me tell you the good news, okay? The good news is that we have people that launch through the process, they are picking up really fast. In FED, in big function in Richmond, Virginia, we had 18,000 people there in the Coliseum. Paul Miller has been in the business, Brit Worldwide Management Operating Committee, like me, Raj, Paul, Angelo, Kanti, me. He's been in the business for 40 plus years. And he made an observation. So we had a recognition on Sunday afternoon for people with 6 or more legs at the function. And he said that for years, you'll have maybe 8 or 10 people in the audience that had 6 legs sitting there. Okay? In his 40 years. That's why very few people go diamond, right? I'll tell you what happened with this best practices. We had 250 businesses at 6 legs. We had another 100 at 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 legs. It was mind-blowing. There's only one reason. It's these steps. People are putting in width, okay? And there are people that are 18, 19, 20 years of age. Within 2-3 years, they're making $50,000, $60,000 a year, and they're able to quit their jobs, okay? And so I am telling you that there is something very magical going on right now. We are preparing for supernatural growth. We know that we are outgrowing that Coliseum. We are done. We are already splitting achievers. We have more than one session now, okay? We are just, I guarantee you this, okay? Think about this like this, right? Let's say you worked hard all year and you only launched 10 personally. Next year, they launched 10 each. And the following year, they launched 10 each. You got 1,000 active people in your group. Exponential effect really works. The viral effect really works in this business, okay? But the great news is if you follow the program, new people, you don't have to worry about anything we said so far, except you build it the way. The reason you have to know this, why are we dumping you with all the information? Because when you go out there, you should know when somebody says, oh yeah, I was in this business, I was in network marketing, that they did not have the experience you have. You understand? That is the best part. That should not discuss. I like things like that. That's why I said underdog, I like that. Okay? I like it when a majority of people don't understand what I'm doing. I love it. I like to watch people's faces. Sometimes we go to a party, I don't tell them mentorship and they don't know what to do. They don't know what to ask because it's not like file is not found, right? If I say I'm an engineer, then they know what to ask. What kind of engineering? Where are you working? A job? Oh, what is your title? All the BS questions they'll ask. E-quadrant questions they'll ask. Oh, you got promotion, all that. Okay? But the moment you say, he doesn't know what to say. Oh yeah, you have products, yeah. Selling, no, chain scheme. Chain scheme. Pyramid scheme, yeah. Chain scheme, no, where you get people and you get rich. I said, why don't you try it? Sometimes it is better to keep your mouth shut and look like an idiot rather than open your mouth and remove all doubt. Okay, I just love it. How many of you like that underdog spirit? That man. People think, I am telling you, our lifestyle will blow your mind. October, 4 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I'm sitting and talking to one of my emeralds on a Zoom video call. He says to me, Kumar, you got that big check in October, right? I said, no, I don't get anything in October. I usually get it in November, December. He said, last year you told me you got in October. I said, really? He said, yeah. So he's on the call and I'm checking on my phone. Okay? Bank account. I'm just telling you, this can happen to you. I mean, I'm not like Bill Gates, okay? I'm not anywhere near that, but we are doing good. We went on 14 vacations last year, 14 countries last year. This year we turned down, didn't go to US because Anjali's dad, by the way, that's the reason you build the business. Okay, vacation and all is fantastic. But Anjali's dad had a silent stroke. He was living with us. And he's 90 now almost. And he could not talk. You know, now he's getting better. Okay, we thought he was going to get worse, but he got better. But there was a 3-month period when we couldn't do anything else. That's how you build a business. So you can be there for your parents. He was in our house, he needed physical support. Even when we had people from outside, they don't know the language issues there and all that. We were there all the time. Okay? So during that time, so this year we decided not to go anywhere. We didn't go for Singapore ALS. When I go back, same evening, same afternoon, I'm going to US ALS, which is local. But I'm not going to Singapore ALS. I'm not going from my Australia business ALS to Bali. I think that's already done. And UK ALS. Huh?
सिंगापुर ALS
नहीं चल रहा हूँ यार, हो गया अभी ना बोल दिया December 9th ना उधर से यार आप तो इधर मिल गए ना हम लोग सबसे ओके बट कभी कभी वेकेशन से वेकेशन लेना पड़ता है बॉस बट दिस इज हाउ I'm telling you, if you build it right, if you build it wrong, this business is the biggest nightmare. If you build it right, you'll be able to sleep at night happily because you value people. One of our value system is people before profits. What happens in the corporate world? It's profit before profit and profit after profit, no people at all. Not profit before people, it is profit before profit, profit after profit. Where are the people? It's like, मेरे पास माँ है, वो टाइप, you know. मेरे पास गाड़ी है, बंगला है, तुम्हारे पास क्या? मेरे पास भी गाड़ी है, बंगला है, फिर माँ किसके पास है? वैसा है. सर्वेंट के पास.
It's like in Desi word, I mean छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला टाइप, माल महाजन के मिर्जा खेले होली.
देखो ये बॉम्बे है बॉस. थोड़ा समझाना पड़ेगा.
I did everything and he is celebrating.
Let's talk about the Eagle program. Okay? Yeah, I got that slide. Next one, please. Okay. See, here it says 100 PV personal volume per month within the first 5 days of each month. Work towards a volume standard of 300 PV per month, even go up to 500. Okay, second, subscribe to BWW BSM, SOD books, SOCD books and BWW technology, Smart Touch, right? And attend all BWW weekly events, seminar and conferences. Number B and C, any one of them, are they required? No, it's not a requirement. See, again, stop thinking like E-quadrant. E-quadrant wants instructions, no rules. They're not a requirement. If you understand it, the common sense is, how can I help you if you're not on the same mindset as me? And how can I help you if you don't start building your asset? That's really what it is. You understand? There are legal reasons why this cannot be requirement. This is not like a franchise. Okay? This is network marketing. It's governed by a completely separate set of rules. But I can't force you to do anything, right? But you can't force me to work with you either. It makes no sense. Why do we have number 2 and number 3? Because it unifies the team. You want to have seminars that teach everything, everywhere the same. If I have a group in Patna, you know?
Yeah.
If I have a group in Patna, he has a group in New Jersey, we all teach the same thing. That cannot happen if we are not listening to the same. You're with me? It's just common sense. This is the common sense part. Okay, so we ask this, honoring the partnership, it's an honor. You know what honor is? It's not a contract. Honor is a handshake. Hello? That for me, that has got more, because if I don't trust you, contract won't help. If I trust you, I don't need a contract. Hello? So this is a handshake. I'm sorry? Yeah, we don't want written contract anyway. I don't want to force you to do anything. This is a completely voluntary business and everybody is free. The beauty is, I can either have 500 employees or 500 IBOs. If I have 500 IBOs, then I don't have any liability. I don't have to pay them salary. I don't have to give them benefits. If out of 500, 50 stop performing, what do? Get another 50. Hello? So, this is what honoring the partnership means. The word of your honor is that if we are working together, you agree to do these things. You should have hunger for knowledge. B and C is hunger for knowledge. B and C, in my opinion, is what builds the asset. A is the business. Without that, there is no business. Without the volume, there is no business. Okay? Without selling the product, there is no business. But number 2 and 3 is what really unites people. Gives you an asset that can go on forever because people are listening to the right things and doing the right things. Yeah, next slide please. Okay, there's something called 100% pin here, where we recommend 3 to 5 appointments a week. We recommend 200 PV for single, 300 PV for couple personal volume, inclusive of customer volume and your personal consumption. Third, use products and develop retail customers to enable 2 above. Yeah. Attend all BWW events, read from books recommended by Brit Worldwide, subscribe to BSM Technology, be teachable, be accountable, be in communication with upline coach mentor, includes huddle play, huddle and counseling. This is what we call the 9 steps. Listen to me, might seem like a lot of information, but if I can simplify anything to 9 steps, that's pretty simple, right? This is all we do. Everybody does 9 steps. The new guy, the founder's crown ambassador, we do 9 steps. It's not like a job where this guy is doing something, that guy is doing something, this guy is doing something else. You don't even know what this guy is doing. And he doesn't know what you're doing. Here we are all duplicating. We're doing the same thing. Okay? Next, please. And you can study this later if it is too much information. Okay? Qualify, double eagle. There's something called Ruby, right? First is you go eagle. Eagle means what? You have a minimum of 6 legs. Yeah, step 1 and step 2. So honoring the partnership, right? And 100%. Okay. They're honoring the partnership and they're 100% pin. Okay. You got 6 legs like that. That's your well said. What if it takes you a year to get 6 legs? Is that a bad thing? It's fantastic. Okay. What if nothing happens for a year except internal growth? Are you okay with that? If you say no, you are in the E quadrant. I'm telling you, it is just a universal truth. Pick up any book about anybody that succeeded in anything. Open challenge. If they don't have a setback, failure year, they cannot have growth. It doesn't happen in life. Yes? Okay. Yeah. Eagle Plus is when you have 9 legs with people doing step 1 and step 2 in each leg, which is honoring the partnership and 100% pin. Go double eagle is having a minimum of 12 legs with people doing step 1 and step 2 in each leg. You understand? With this profitability, the more you have like this profitability, depth is security. Depth is where you build the asset. What is the name of the game? The name of the game, Saurabh, is to help somebody make more money than they're willing to give up. Then you have security. If in one group I have 5 people, are they going to keep that income or are they going to give up? They're going to fight to keep the income. So my time involvement is reduced there. That's how you get your freedom. By focusing on others. People who focus on themselves are the ones that are still on the last day at the distribution center. What do you call it? You call it PUC, ADC, pickup center, and putting tension on everybody the last day of the month. And then they don't know what to do with the products, and some of them end up in shops and online. That's really sad. You know, it's a self-fulfilling prophecy, man. That what goes around comes around. I know that we don't have a situation like that in Mumbai. I don't think we don't have much in West, but it's all, a lot of it, some of it is in North, maybe, wherever it is, you know. But next, please. Not you, I know. But yeah. Profitability. 2018, Kumar Goda. There are no big shop selling issues here, right? Is there? Rarely, okay. 2018, this is what we did at Kumar's. My Seven Springs is a destination in Pennsylvania. We get our silvers and up there. We have 2 in my group now. So the whole family shows up. An amazing event. So we play all day, and at night we have events. You know, those who qualify silver, you should come to our Seven Spring event. Ruby Rush to Diamond, we called it last year. Next. Okay. This is something you have to understand. So here, see what happens is, your goal is to help a lot of people reach the 10,000 PV level, so you get the 6% leadership bonus, yeah? Okay, so when you have somebody reach the 10,000 PV level, there is a leadership bonus that is generated. What is that amount here? See, this guy has 10,000 points. There's a leadership bonus that is generated that goes upline. How much is that? 45,600. Question is, who gets that money? Could it be just this guy? What if this guy got all 45,600, right? Because this is a 10,000 PV group, yeah? This is also a 10,000 PV group, right? Because this adds up. It is 10,000 plus 1250, right? Hello? So then, there will also be a 46,500 that should get. But that won't work. There is not an unlimited number of 46,500 generated from here. You with me? So they have a requirement. Now in this case, this guy only has 1250 on the side. When you have 1250 on the side, he doesn't keep any of the 6% bonus. Because you need 4,000 on the side to qualify for that bonus. We can't just show all this in the first day of the plan, when you see it. So you need 4,000 on the side to qualify for this bonus, which is exactly why it's not a pyramid. But this guy doesn't have 4,000. So what happens is the 6% that generated from the 1250, which is whatever additional amount it is, I can't see it from this close, okay? 5,700 gets added to that. Now 51,300 is going up. This guy has got only 3,000 on the side. So he does not keep what? That entire amount. How much you keep depends on how much you have on the side. If you have 4,000, you'll start keeping part of it. If you have 10,000, you'll keep all of it. You understand? Which means what? Every time you have a group, you need side legs. Which is why we are talking about the Eagle program. Getting the width. Yeah? Okay. But think about it, right? Next. If you have, look at this, 3 different scenarios, right? This guy has gone silver, the orange circle. He's in your group. You have 4,000 on the side. How much money do you keep? What is your income? Down there, 46,512. Annual income is 5,58,144. Because you have 4,000 on the side. Yeah? And you're generating, of course, the 45,600 is going upline somewhere. Depends on who it is, right? But if you had 7,000 on the side of that same 10,000 PV leg, now you got 3 more legs with 7,000 PV. How much are you making now, monthly income? 70,000. What's your annual income? 8,42,000. So width is important. Yeah? But width is not everything though. Depth is the only way you'll get freedom. You with me? Next. Eagle structure. Okay, if you are an eagle outside your 10,000 PV, okay, and you have 10,000 on the side, how much are you making? Monthly income. 1,07,000. Annual income. About 13 lakhs. Hello? What if you are 10,000 and what is that? 20,000 PV side volume, which is Ruby. Which means you're 1 lakh qualified and 20,000 on the side, which will happen if you are it should happen if you are a double eagle on the side of your qualified leg. Here we are seeing an eagle example with higher PV, but approximately the same thing. But if you go double eagle, you'll keep more money. But here the monthly income is 1,63,000 and your annual income is 20 lakhs. Hello? The good, you like it? Will it happen quickly in 2 months? Will it happen straight up like this? Will it happen like this? Up and down, 2 steps forward, 3 steps back. Will you feel frustrated? Here and there? Little angry sometimes? Yeah. But if you're reading, you'll get less and less angry. Okay? And will you be, if there is, see, I'll tell you when you should quit. When your upline founder's double diamond tells you that you should quit, that's when you quit. Other than that, don't. Because if we see something totally unusual about you, if we feel you don't stand a chance, we'll come and tell you. Till then, don't do anything. Whatever you're going through, normal. Okay? All right. So next. Ruby side volume. Oh, this is where it comes. Shankar, thank you. This is what I was looking for. If you had Ruby side volume through 12 legs, you're making 24 lakhs. How many of you can get excited about extra 24 lakhs? So what you really need to do is focus on that double eagle structure, which is what? 12 launch legs. Start with 3, then go to 6, then keep on doing this as you're working depth. Now, there might come a point where through huddle, your mentor tells you, look, you don't have to get that 12th right now because you got a lot of work going on here in depth, you may have to go in there. But till you hear that, go double eagle. Most people in here, I think 99%, everybody sitting in here really should go double eagle. It's your first order of business. Ruby is happiness. I've never seen unhappy Ruby. Okay, this sets the foundation because now how many 7,500 PV legs is diamond? 6, okay? Ciclo, okay? It is 6, okay? when you have all these groups, you will be able to pick the correct 6 ones to help you qualify. If you only have 6, then you have to pick that 6 and you will set yourself up for frustration. Okay, so get that width, launch the people properly. That's another extra. It might take a couple of years, guys, 3 years, 4, I don't care. But think about it. You know, where are you going to make asset-based income of 24 lakhs? Anywhere else, how long will it take? Huh? In real estate? Real estate? Karna hai abhi aapko real estate? Huh? You want to do real estate? You want to get into a shady deal where you can't sleep at night? Where you have to give cash half, 60% cash, 40% this, that and the other, you know, and then you invest and then the builder cops out on you. Sab hota hai, boss. Or you put, how much money you have to put in the bank to make 24 lakhs in interest? Huh? Yeah. 4 crore. 4 crores you have to invest to make 24 lakhs a year. You can do that if you want. As soon as you find the 4 crores, you can do it. See, this is not going to be that easy 1, 2, 3. But we need dedication, guys. I'll just tell you that. अरे, सब भाग गए आप लोग यार? अच्छा, हमारा खबर एंथनी तीनों भाग गए. एंथनी तो आप ही है. लंबाई.
And it's just beginning. ये शुरुआत है. आप में से कोई ये कंफ्यूज नहीं कीजिएगा. कुमार भाई ने कहा तब यही डेस्टिनेशन है. इसके आगे ये तो एक फाउंडेशन है. लेकिन अगर इसको आपने ठीक से कंटिन्यू किया और एक एक लेग्स ब्रेक करते चले गए, तो यू थिंक अबाउट योर एमरल्ड शिप एंड देन साइड वॉल्यूम, एंड देन यू थिंक अबाउट योर डायमंड शिप एंड देन साइड वॉल्यूम, वेयर द मनी विल गो. More than that, but it all depends upon your right foundation. That is Ruby Rush to go diamond. I have said this thing in one my speech that is called Ruby Bridge. I talked about Ruby Bridge. कि आप यहाँ एक नदी के इस किनारे पर हो, you are sitting here, और नदी का वो किनारा डायमंड शिप है. Now there are 2 ways to go there. आप इस किनारे से शुरू करते हो, एक नया आइलैंड आता है, that is Founders Platinum. 10,000 कर रहे हो, कभी छूट सकता है. फिर वहां जाके लोग कुछ कंफर्ट में चले गए, कुछ दुखी हो गए फ्रस्ट्रेशन से. अगेन फ्रॉम दैट आइलैंड यू स्टार्ट टू गो टू अनदर आइलैंड विच इज एमरल्ड आइलैंड. यू अगेन टेक शिप, गो देयर, वहां थोड़ा अच्छी कॉलोनी है, हैबिटेशन है, अब आप और रुक भी सकते हो. कुछ लोग ज्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए तो सोचेंगे पता नहीं क्या, वो रियल एस्टेट और ये सब बातें. अगेन फ्रॉम दैट एमरल्ड आइलैंड टू गो टू दैट बैंक दैट इज डायमंड. नाउ इफ यू मेक ए ब्रिज फ्रॉम दैट कॉर्नर वेयर यू आर प्लैटिनम और ईगल एंड मेक ए रूबी ब्रिज डायरेक्टली टू देयर, तो आपको इतने सारे आइलैंड्स, इतने सारे शिप्स बदलने भी नहीं होंगे, एंड यू विल गो स्मूथ वे टू देयर डायमंड शिप. दैट्स ऑल अबाउट रूबी ब्रिज.
Love it, love it, love it. Excellent. And you want to add anything, Ankur?
See, Ruby bonus 2% that is written over here. Ruby is the only way to freedom, really, because that is when you're making money which is really dependable and really big in amount. It's really awesome. So that should be the goal for everyone.
And the way Kumar Bhai says, when you have 3 legs, we are all depending on 3 legs. You know, कि ये 3 करेंगे तो मेरा emerald हो जाएगा और ये 6 करेंगे तो मेरा diamond हो जाएगा. Here more people are fighting for the pin. That brings a lot of peace of mind, right? And it all starts. See, when we talk about the process, it is not only we are learning about the launching of new people. HTP is a great term to learn. You know, honoring the partnership. I mean, it has very wide meaning with Brit Worldwide, with coaches. But doing 100 PV in first 5 days, and that's not retail volume, it's a loyalty volume, right? And it does not require credit card and ITZ card. You know, it brings a lot of peace of mind. So it is not only for new people, it's for people who really want to build business also. So we all must learn the term honoring the partnership. And there's another great term need to learn is a huddle, play huddle. If we learn all these things, I'm very sure we all will shine out in a big way.
So your son is also building the business, right?
Yeah.
So you are in Surat.
I'm in Surat.
Surat, I have seen Arun Bhai with the small apartment, छोटा सा apartment.
Yeah.
Okay, where the hot water was not coming, कुछ था ना, लफड़ा था. क्या था वो?
It was a small apartment, 1200 square feet home. It was on EMI. When पहली बार.
And now you have a house. How many square feet?
3600 square feet.
And fully paid.
Fully paid.
Fully paid. Okay. Is it because of some other investment or this business?
Because of this opportunity, because of blessing of our coach and mentor, you know, I could send Kurtat to the USA, who is studying there from last 2.5 years. This is the 3rd year. और मुझे एक भी बार EMI नहीं लेना पड़ा एक भी बार उसकी एक भी फीस भरने के लिए टेंशन नहीं लेना पड़ा. आई रिमेंबर आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग MBA ही कॉल्ड मी वन डे कि पापा एक और कोर्स है, मैं अगर कर लूँ तो अच्छा है, आई एम वेरी श्योर ही वाज आस्किंग ओनली फॉर अ फीस पर्पस, दैट्स इट. एंड और मैंने बोला अच्छा है तो कर ले, दैट्स इट.
But he is also building the business.
आपका बेटा हॉस्टल में भी रहेगा तो आपको चिंता हो जाएगी, और 12,000 माइल दूर जाएगा तो बहुत चिंता हो जाएगी. बट कुमार भाई ने मुझे उस दिन बोला चिंता क्यों करता है, अपना बेटा ही तो न्यू जर्सी आ रहा है. एंड ही टूक 2 बिग कार, 6 लड़के जा रहे थे न्यू जर्सी, उनको लेने गए, 6-7 घंटा लगाया, उनको जहाँ जाना था ड्रॉप किया, 2 केस भर के एनर्जी ड्रिंक, फूड बार सब कुछ दिया. ये हमारे रिश्तेदार नहीं करते, इट इज ऑल हैपनिंग बिकॉज ऑफ दिस.
रिश्तेदार के बाद है ही नहीं, एनर्जी ड्रिंक कहाँ देगा वो? Brit Worldwide, give them a big hand, guys. You have no, I mean, it's amazing. Brit Worldwide has also, over the years, been through challenges, but you never see it because it's always been there to serve you throughout the country. Okay, so I want to thank them. Now, before we wrap up, why don't we all share something that people can go away with? The biggest challenge you have faced in this business, and the most memorable thing, and how you overcame that challenge. What did you face? What bothered you the most? Start. Yeah, Arun, you can start with you.
It's always the quality of people. Finally, at the end of day, what we are looking is a more secure, predictable business. When I listen hundreds of times from our coach's mouth that on first day EDC हो जाता है, first day founders double diamond हो जाता है, that is exactly what we want. एक बार मैंने कॉल किया था, and that was 31st, and he said कि मैं तो मूवी देख रहा हूँ, और मैं 2 बार मुझे मौका मिला कुमार भाई के घर पे रहने का, that was 2009 and 2013, और हमेशा वो लास्ट 3 days था मंथ का, और बहुत सारे लोगों से कन्वर्सेशन कर रहे थे वो लोग, बहुत बातें कर रहे थे, बट मैंने कहीं ये नहीं देखा कि पीवी की बात करते वो लोग. दे वर टॉकिंग अबाउट फंक्शंस एंड नंबर एंड रिलेशनशिप. कहीं ये नहीं बोला करुण थोड़ी देर रुक जा, मैं थोड़ा एक ऑर्डर करके आता हूँ PUC पे, ऐसा कहीं कुछ भी नहीं था. उन्होंने किसी को कॉल पे ये नहीं बोला मेरा ITZ कार्ड है, कुछ रुक गया तो जरा कर लेना भैया. सो what I kept listening from years together, और जो मैंने शुरू में देखा था, see why I got attracted. मैं रिलायंस में रहता वाइस प्रेसिडेंट जरूर हो जाता था, बट where I was sold out to their lifestyle, the peace of mind, the luxury, and I could exactly see that. And the area of concern for me, for years of time, if you ask me, to create that kind of organization. And the process has given me the confidence. It's exactly 180 degree away from that. It gives me a lot of command, lot of confidence and leverage over my candidates and my team. And I'm so super excited that we are on the right path with the right mentorship. Right?
You know what? This business has been an absolute roller coaster ride, but it's been. I personally, me and Taru, we feel that college has never ended for us. That's how we feel in this business. When Taru came to Bangalore just before our marriage for a month, she had a project that she somehow figured out at her company in Bangalore. She wanted to spend some time with me. And she got to spend time with our entire team in that 1 month. This was before we got married. I was a gold producer at that time, and we had a humming team. And she felt that doesn't look like these guys have become professionals. It felt to her as if it was just a dorm life, a college life, because we were just having the time of our life. And even today, when her cousins who are 15 and 20 years old, or mine, they come and stay with us for a month or 2 months, they get sold out without seeing the plan. Because they get sold out with the environment in the house, the energy in the house, with the fun that we have. We are watching movies, eating food, laughing, cutting it out, and just talking about the future. I think that is priceless. Correct? What price can you put to that thing? Because I think that excitement just keeps you young forever. I'm going to my school's 25th reunion this weekend. This Sunday there's a reunion. And so they put me on that WhatsApp group. And everybody's posting their own pictures. And I feel like calling all of them uncle because I can't make out. They're like, everybody's like totally out of color and out of shape. And I think credit goes to Brit Worldwide in this business. Because it has just kept us thinking young, acting young, and being young. And we are always sponsoring 22-year-olds. We are always in that same mindset. I mean, if you look at Kumar and if you listen to him, nobody can guess that he's got children who are grown up. If you're with him, if you're backstage, you will just fall laughing. And I think that's what adds years to your life. Because when you're thinking about problem all the time, everything starts graying and everything starts bloating and expanding, because that's not the life you wish. So I think the biggest blessing you have, apart from all the money and all the trips and everything, I think you will be blessed with eternal youth inside and outside if you really build this business and put your heart into it.